Washed potatoes. Nice. Black Angus steaks. 1, 2. Let's spice them up. Tomatoes and basil. Meat spice. Clove spice. Italian herbs. Now splash of vinegar. Splash of soy sauce. Nice. Season it well. Let's rub it in. Water is boiling. Add some salt. Now throw in the potatoes so they can be boiling and cook them for 40 minutes while steaks are marinating. Check the potatoes. They're nice and cooked. Add greens on top. Mash the potatoes. Add some butter into mashed potatoes. Now add 2 eggs. 1 egg, second egg. Mash it some more. Mash everything together, like so. Yes, mash everything together. We got nice mashed potatoes. Butter on hot pan. Throw the steaks in. 1 steak, another steak. 3 minutes on each side should be good for rare steak. Flip it. 1, second one. Flip them. Nice. Cover with lid. Turn off the heat. Wow, potatoes. Service. They're nice and steamy. Steaks look steamy and delicious. Let's serve one with the potatoes. Okay, cut it open. Let's see. Wow. Beautiful, nice and rare steak. Let's try it. How good. Yummy, delicious. Like, share and subscribe, my friend.